OperaWine, OperaWine, OperaWine.
Hi, now with very handsome Italian Fabio. So we are in the winery of Allegrini. So tell us a little bit about this long history family actually.
Well, Allegrini is a well-established family in the area of Valpolicella. It has been around since the 16th century, so the roots are very deep. And we're in the historical winemaking area, and Allegrini is one of the key producers, representing and being an ambassador for Valpolicella in the world.
And people say you are really very innovative. Can you give some example how innovative you are?
Well, if we talk about innovation, we cannot forget to mention Mr. Giovanni Allegrini, the founding father of the winery, who introduced a lot of interesting things in Valpolicella, such as new training techniques that weren't used back then in the 60s and in the 70s. He also introduced the concept of single crew wines, and he modernized a lot the concept of the Valpolicella wines, moving especially from a concept of quantity towards quality.
So which wine you bring to us today?
Today we have Amarone Classico Vintage 2001, a beautiful example of what Valpolicella can bring to the world nowadays in terms of winemaking.
So this wine you have like 10 or 12 years aging already. Yeah. So do you think it's really a traditional style or modern style, or which one?
This Amarone in particular is, we would define it modern because we don't have a very high residual sugar concentration. Therefore, being much more approachable and a drier taste to it. So it enhances the drinkability of the wine. And the wine, as we said, is already mature, because obviously Amarone gains a lot from aging, and it's a beautiful example of how the wine will age and develop.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. One last question. Have you already exported your wine to China yet?
Yes, I'm actually in charge of the China market, and we're working very well with Hong Kong and China in particularly. And it's an interesting market and has a very good perspective for the future, so we hope to develop a good partnership and to keep going.
I think really Chinese palate love Amarone, so I'm sure that you have a very nice future in China.
It goes very well with some of the traditional dishes, due to its particularity in taste, and it marries well the taste of Chinese food.
Okay, thank you very much. OK， 所以大家看到呢，我们说这个酒庄的话，我们 Allegrini 已经在中国有在销售，而且他们也说到，像我们刚才说到了 ，Amarone 真的非常合适中国人的口味，而他们也是非常现代版的一种 Amarone。而且我们说到了，这个酒庄的庄主当年对整个 Amarone 的生产做了很多的改变，所以大家如果有机会喝到的话，一定要试试看这款非常的现代版的 Amarone。OK， 我们去看下一家吧。Thank you very much. OK， have a nice day. Bye bye.
OperaWine, OperaWine, OperaWine.